the Sattvic concept of daily life.
Namaste, welcome to Sattvic Concept of Daily Life, myself Chetana Badekar. Today I am going to give some of the information before joining yoga classes. Before joining daily yoga practices, there are few norms you need to take it on yourself and question yourself. What are those things? Let us discuss. So, when you say that I want to add yoga as an activity with my life, for what purpose we have to question? Are you adding yoga for the spiritual journey? Are you adding for the betterment of your health? Or as I told in one of my video, if you are a sports person, you are adding an added tool, technology along with the yoga. This questioning yourself is very important. If you are joining for the wellness concept to come out of the disorder, for example, some people are coming to the ashram that reproductive disorders where they, because of the stress, they are not able to think of their fertility is low because of the stress. Because of the stress, their fertility is low. In such cases, if you join a general session, it may not be of any use. You need a special session, an individual attention, or a group which is working on the similar aspect. Then only it will be effective. Yoga is not something designed for our society, everyone in general. It is meant for the yogis or those who opt their spiritual journey or a spiritual evolution through the practice of yoga. But it is also true that we can use some of the technology or techniques of yoga and you can add on your daily life for your betterment. Not the entire yoga, some of them. What is that? It is very important. As I told you, if you are, as I mentioned you, if you are adding yoga for the betterment of your health, it is very important to find out what kind of yoga center you are opting, whether the instructor is fully aware of your disorders and what way he is going to bring up you from that situation, or in this mentioned period, how you are able to work on your betterment and what sequence of yoga you follow. And it is not just mimicking what the teacher do. It is very important to note down which sequence you follow. Maybe it is starting with the prayer or the warm-up sessions like Sukshma Vyayama or couple of asanas. Which are those asanas, in what sequence we are practicing? It is very important to remember those things. After the class, when you go home and you want to do self-practice, those sequence which you have noted will be very helpful for you. It is not at all happening anywhere. Many students are joining the yoga center, they blindly mimic what teacher is doing and they just forget that when they step out of the class. That kind of yoga practice of no much use. Involve yourself. You have spent money or you spent your time, that should be useful for you. It is a learning session. Learn certain skills which will help you to grow, which can make you a better, which can bring you to a better life. Such kind of technology you are learning, so you need to dedicate that time. So another thing when you go for yoga practice, wear a right costume. It is not the time to expose yourself or to show off yourself, not like that. You should be in a comfortable clothing. Comfortable clothing vary from one person to another person. One person may be comfortable with the minimum clothes. One person is comfortable only with the full clothes. As per your requirement, you go there so that what you wear should not become a disturbance on your focusing inside. And eat healthy diet during the practices. One side you are doing yoga, it is not that you got a permission to go and have a junk food. Keep yourself in a balanced sattvic diet. Wear something comfortable for you during the practice. Opt a right sequence or the syllabus for the practice. Choose a right teacher and right center for yourself. Definitely yoga will help you to evolve into a better life and it will add a wellness concept to the society. Thank you.